kicked him right in the head.
Goggle.
You should have heard it went. Kaden, go under for mommy. Good job. Kenzie, can you go under? Good girl.
There you go, Kate.
I feel water inside my eyes.
Okay, well, it's not tight enough then. Kaden, wave. Wave at mommy. Sissy, wave at mommy.
Over here.